Happy holidays from Wild in the Kitchen. I'm here with Chef Kevin Convulsum from Firelight Grill House and Cocktail Bar, and today we are taking a twist on the traditional Christmas meal, which is beef Wellington, but we're making what?
Venison Wellington.
Venison Wellington, that sounds so delicious. So what are the first steps to getting started here?
Well, first we're gonna make our mushroom duxelle. So this is kind of a puree of mushrooms with some little shallot in there and some fresh thyme.
Let's do it. All right, I have shallots and mushrooms.
All right, I'm gonna add a little extra virgin olive oil, add the shallots, and you can add the mushrooms.
What kind of mushrooms are we using?
Those are just button mushrooms.
And it looks like they're finely chopped.
Yeah, super finely. I actually use a food processor. Let's add the brandy.
Ooh, now you're talking.
So
How much?
About a half a cup, give or take.
Give or take. We're gonna give. How's that?
Perfect.
Is that good?
Awesome.
There we go. Woo! What's that do? What kind of flavor does that provide?
The brandy itself?
Yes.
Deliciousness.
All right. How much cream do we have?
That is 3/4 of a cup.
A little fresh thyme?
Yep, you can add all that.
And how long do you want this to cook?
It's only gonna take a few minutes.
While that's cooking, should we prep our venison? You said the loin?
This is a loin, yep.
Could you use something else or really recommend this?
You could use a leg, but I would go for more tender parts. So we're just gonna sear the venison on all sides.
Just a crust on the edge and that's it?
Yep, we're just caramelizing the outside to create a little more flavor. And so when we slice through, we're gonna have that nice crust. So our mushrooms are looking great. Venison seared on all sides. Time to assemble. We'll let that rest. Grab the prosciutto. So what we're gonna do is layer it just like it is on the plate there.
Okay.
So then we've got some mushrooms here. Spread it evenly on the prosciutto there. You can really smell that brandy coming through. So then we're gonna take the venison loin, just put it right in the center. And we're gonna start on one end and just kind of wrap up and over. Yeah, work your way down.
Both sides?
One side, and then we're gonna roll it to the front. Perfect.
Oh, I see what's happening here.
Yep, I'm gonna show you a little trick here. It just helps get it uniformed. And then we're gonna go straight to the fridge.
For how many minutes?
I'd say about a half hour. We wanna just kind of firm it up a bit. Oh, great. We've rolled out the pastry dough. Perfect.
You have the venison cooled down?
Yep, all chilled. So kind of the same deal with plastic. We're just gonna
roll it.
Yep, take both one side and put it up.
Ever so delicately.
Now from there, we're just gonna cut off a little bit of the excess. Yeah, just kind of pinch the ends there. I'm gonna seal that in. So I'm just gonna make some little diamonds.
These are almost like pastry Band-Aids, Chef.
So now we're just gonna egg wash it. That's gonna give it a nice golden, almost crunchy texture. So now we're just gonna go to a pan and throw it in the oven.
What do we have for sides today, Chef?
So we've got some baby carrots that are glazed with some fresh thyme, some fingerling potatoes, and this is broccolini.
Ooh.
So it's been about 20 minutes.
Do we want to take the temperature one more time?
Yeah, let's see where we're at. Remember, it's gonna carry over about 8 to 10 degrees.
So we want it to be at 130?
Yep, that's what we're going for today.
Good.
Perfect. So we gave this about 5 minutes to rest. Now it's time to slice.
Looks pretty amazing to me.
Yeah.
Remember, it's not about what's underneath your tree, but who is around it and around your dinner table. Going in for a bite, Chef.
Right.
So good.